Good morning. This is Kelley Hobart. I'm here to talk about our knit club project. It is called the Heart to Heart scarf, and you can see the picture here, and I'm wearing one. It is made with 2 skeins of the Bravo Alpaca, and it gives you, geez, this is over 400 yards of yarn, so you have a nice long time to knit. It's totally fantastic. But you learn how to do this lovely long loop stitch to make what is, it kind of looks like hearts. It's so beautiful. And then we do this slip stitch edge. It's not your typical ribbing, so you get to learn how to do that as well. And then I teach you how to join 2 skeins of yarn together so that you have your ends don't have to be woven in when you add your new ball of yarn. So you get to learn how to do that. Also, I have included a nice little pair of these scissors. Awesome. They're swan scissors, and they're stainless steel, nice and sturdy as well as sharp, and you can use them for cutting yarns and for all your knitting projects. So you can keep it in your little knit bag. And I like the little kind of a translucent rainbow color on it. It's very pretty. So I hope you enjoy the Knit Club kit this month as much as I did, and I hope that you learned something too. So you have a great day, and check out our project for next month. It'll be coming up soon.